How would you like to increase your opt-ins or get more sales leads by up to 200%? Sound too good to be true? Well, it's not. And we have a free webinar to show you how in our free webinar replay. You can watch it right now. Just go to www.webinarquest.com or click the slide out button at the top right now. We are even going to give you a free gift just for showing up. So if you want more opt-ins or sales leads, you're not going to want to miss this cutting edge way of generating insane amounts of subscribers or sales leads. Go to www.webinarquest.com for this free webinar.